Hello students, in last video we had learnt about number system. Now we will learn about conversion of number system. Conversion of number system from decimal to binary. How a decimal number is converted into binary number. Take this example 75 to the base 10. It is decimal number. I want to convert it into binary number, means a number with base 2. Then first of all divide this number 75 by 2. Continuously divide it by 2 till quotient becomes 0 and keep the remainders aside. 75 divided by 2, quotient will be 37 and remainder will be 1. And 37 divided by 2, quotient will be 18 and remainder will be 1. 18 divided by 2, quotient will be 9 and remainder will be 0. 9 divided by 2, quotient will be 4 and remainder will be 1. 4 divided by 2, quotient will be 2 and remainder is 0. 2 divided by 2, quotient is 1 and remainder is 0. 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2, quotient will be 0 and remainder will be 1. So this 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 to the base 2 is the binary number of 75. 75 to the base 10 equal to 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 to the base 2. Now we have to convert a number from decimal to octal. Now we have to divide this number by 8. 75 base 10. We want to convert it into octal number, means base 8. Divide 75 by 8. 8 9 is 72 and remainder is 3. 8 1 is 8 and remainder is 1. 8 zeros are 0 and remainder is 1. So we will write 113 to the base 8. This will be the octal number of 75. Now children, we will learn how to convert a hexadecimal number from a decimal number. Now this is a decimal number 175 to the base 10. We want to convert it in hexadecimal number. Then 175 will be divided by 16. 16 tens are 160 and remainder will be 15. 16 zeros are 0 and remainder will be 10. Now we have to collect remainders in reverse order, 10 and then 15. We cannot write 10 15 because we have to write only one digit or one symbol. If the remainders are from 0 to 9, we can write them as it is. If remainders are more than 9, means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, then we will write accordingly. For remainder 10, we will write A, 11 we will write B, 12 we will write C, 13 we will write D, 14 we will write E, 15 we will write F. Now here are the remainders 10 and 15. So we will write A and F to the base 16. A as remainder was 10 and F as remainder was 15. This way a number is converted from decimal to hexadecimal. Now see, take an example. If the remainder was 5 here and 13 here, then we will write 13 5. Then for 13 we will write D5. The number will be D5 to the base 16. So this way children, we convert a number system from decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. We have to divide the number continuously till it becomes 0 by 2, 8 and 16 respectively. And after then we have to write the remainders in a reverse order, means from bottom to top. This way we have to convert the number system from one system to another. Thank you children.